come alta como como total solo de muy de estándar itu dia Muhammad Afiq berasal daripada Tuaran. Muhammad bin Kelly dipersilakan. Told that bitch with that ass. Meet me at the con, then you know I'm gon' smash. But a couple nuts, then I said I got the dash. Life going up, I don't wanna see the crash. Fine cosplayer, told that bitch with that ass. Meet me at the con, then you know I'm gon' smash. But a couple nuts, then I said I got the dash. Life going up, I don't wanna see the crash. These skinny jeans on, but my dick too big for 'em. 3 cosplayers in my bedroom, all for 'em. These that got me making all this money, bank accounts for 'em. I retire soon, shit too easy getting fucking bored. Making sense, kiss a friend, that's a white chick. Instant, kick her out with my trick, making gold with my hands that were Elric. Gotta hear them off of me cause I'm selfish. Learn from the get-go, I'm the greatest for your info. I ain't chillin' with no bitch unless you tryna get me nickel. It's a murder homicide when they cry, when we nickel. Dark skin, small frame, shy looking like a troll. Like my bitches on my back, either that super flat. Yo, I'm with a friend, I gotta stack this cattle cats. If I got the dopest rack, say you speak like me, this cap. You get up in this bitch, try me activate my trap. Fine cosplayer, told that bitch shake that ass. See me at the con, then you know I'm gon' smash. Plus a couple nuts, then I said I got a dash. Life gon' up, I don't wanna see the crash. Fine cosplayer, told that bitch shake that ass. See me at the con, then you know I'm gon' smash. Plus a couple nuts, then I said I got a dash. Life gon' up, I don't wanna see the crash.
Itu apa dia mau cari itu?
Was making music while she giving me that's a bad. Yeah, I be the dude, you can call me Shiggy Senpai. Because at the con, wanna show a nigga old pop. Said if I can't lie, meet it with no cosign. Back and fuck up everything, call that wrecking murder rap. Fine cosplayer, told that bitch shake that ass. See me at the con, then you know I'm gon' smash. Plus a couple nuts, then I said I got a dash. Life going up, I don't wanna see the crash. Fine cosplayer, told that bitch shake that ass. See me at the con, then you know I'm gon' smash. Plus a couple nuts, then I said I got a dash. Life going up, I don't wanna see the crash.
I need a head type bitch, drop it down on my dick. She fucking love it when she riding this shit, yeah. I need an anime hoe, bitch, you already know. She streaming Kimochi when she drop it low, yeah. I need a head type bitch, drop it down on my dick. She fucking love it when she riding this shit.
Ini kalau si Muana nampak ni, awas oh. Berasal daripada Tuaran.
Just like a hentai shotty, got the big dice, I'm about to corrupt the
Mana satu?
time. Hitting that bitch and I go. She got me on
Ada dua.
the bro. She put a bow by all of my throw. I'm about to
Masuk baik. Oh, patut lah, okay.
beat. 3D hoes, they take a peek.
I need a head
Saja.
down on my dick. She fucking love me when she riding this shit. I need an anime hoe, bitch, you already know. She screaming Kimochi when she drop it low.
I need an anime honey, big titties, wet honey's the type of anime bitch that'll whisper that she loves me. Yandere, kinda kinky like a female Ted Bundy, but she get a little freaky on her knees begging.
Just fucking.
Now that a girl acting radical, itty bitty mini skirt, seeing all that ass with just a twirl. Do you got an OnlyFans? I want you, I'm a lonely man, but you a bitch from rent a girlfriend, so we just holding hands. Want you as my waifu, maybe for a night or two. I can feel the spark in us, baby get the lighter fluid. She sucks like a lolly, then after she holds me, I give her that cream pie like Shiki, she calls me her senpai.
You know what, Shiki, big gay, I get that we all want to fuck these hentai girls, but at the end of the day, they're not real. And maybe we should just start going after real girl. You know what? Fuck it. I
Yeah,
fuck
itu dia. Ada yang lo.
She'll merely be your stepmother. You have 2 lovely sisters to keep you company, so I'll know as far away as I may be that you'll be safe.
Wouldn't you prefer to eat when all the work is done, Ella? Yes, Ella. I'll not go to the ball. Excuse me. Why are you crying? Who are you? That's better. My fairy couple. No, feels nice. They're made of glass, and you find them really comfortable. Now off you go, for you shall go to the ball. They're all looking at you.
Believe me, they're all looking at you.
Where there is kindness, there is goodness. And where there is goodness, there is magic.
I have to see her again.
Are you looking for this?
Oke, itulah dia peragaan daripada kita punya Adi ya, yang baru kini berumur 4 tahun. So sekarang ini kita tampilkan pula kakaknya sendiri.
When I am clean, you shall be clean. Who told you so, who told you so? It was my own heart, that told me so.
Ya, itu dia peragaan daripada Audi ya. Dan sekarang ini yaitu ada persembahan adik kita yang bersama pada sebanggar ya. Pengetahuan yang tidak ada sudah pada puncak, tapi membadakan sahabat kedua semua akan murah semua, perbintangan kedua semua, maka kami akan bagikan untuk Anda hadiah limited edition 10 hadiah untuk Anda ya.
Oh, cantik dah.
Kita tampilkan peserta kedua. Nur Ayu Nadira binti Muhammad Ayuni. Nur Arisa Natasha binti Danius. Kita tampilkan Nur Jamia Betricia binti Muhammad Afi Amandi. Dian Humaira binti Taufik Hidayat. Coba kamera. Sejliani binti Roski. Putra Marsyawal Dinasti. Bunda Nur Humaira binti Muhammadiyah ya. Madiha Hayal Betricia. Jennifer Ho. Josie Joanna Jocelyn. Inilah dia ke-12 peserta bagi kategori peraga pusara gitar sebelah. Dan seterusnya kita masuk dalam penyerahan sijil pernyataan beserta trofi bagi kategori kedua peragaan cosplay ataupun anime. Yang pertama, Shirley Edilia Cik Lisa. Shirley Sandy Wasilinus. Kelitan Bing. Nurul Natakalisa, Nurul Ain. Nur Kalisa Airi. Muhammad Dafiq Dennis bin Muhammad Fajudin. Muhammad bin Kelly. Yusuf bin Kelly. Awas tadi. Awas tadi. Elia Adriana Abdullah. Elia Adriana Abdullah. Gimana Anda? Elia Adriana Abdullah. Oke. Nur Jara Aisyah binti Lamartin.